Hey everyone, Vin here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and easy to use Excel-based logistic tools out there. We've been building tools and working closely with logistics companies, retailers, and small to medium businesses for the last 16 years and helping them save time and eliminate repetitive work. And today I want to share you how a nationwide footwear retailer based in Carmi, Illinois solved the big challenge they had by using our Excel Store Locator. So their team, they were struggling with how to match the customer locations they get from people submitting their web forms in their website to the nearest store branch. And every day they would get hundreds of them, and they would get these addresses, these contact addresses from their online orders and from their queries. And before using our tool, they had to look up each one of them individually in Google Maps and see where they're at and try to figure out the closest store. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then manually try to copy and paste that information back into their forms. And it was very slow, repetitive, and process, easy to make mistakes, especially with hundreds of stores and thousands of customers to manage every week. And that's where our Excel Store Locator made a huge difference for them. And let me show you how they do use it on a day-to-day basis. It's extremely easy to use. First, they paste and they enter the customer addresses. And it can be addresses, can be zip codes, can be cities, from the forms they get from their websites directly into our tool, into the main sheet. And the first time they use the tool, also there is a place where they can manage all of their store locations in the second sheet, which very conveniently is called stores. After that, all they got to do is click calculate. And in just a few seconds, Excel automatically matches each customer to the nearest store based on real driving distance and time from Google Maps, all without having to open another program or check anything manually. Extremely easy to use. Now their mornings look completely different now. They just drop in their addresses from their online orders, update their list of stores every so often, and with one click, the tool in Excel, which is built in Excel, instantly shows them the closest store for each one of these potential customers or customers, including the driving time and the driving distance. And this makes it extremely easy to route each order and find and match the right store for pickup or shipping, and help reduce their shipment cost and fulfilling cost to the nearest location. Even customer support benefits. When someone asks what's the closest store to me, they can give an accurate answer backed by real driving time data based on Google Maps. And that's as easy as that. A little bit about us. We've been helping over 7,000 happy customers over the last 16 years across pretty much all kinds of industries. We've got over 20 different products in our website, and we've been helping these customers simplify and automate their work with tools just like this one. Many of them tell us they can't imagine going back to the old way of doing manually things. And we're very proud to have earned over 143 5-star reviews on Google, which means a lot to us because it shows how much our people, our customers, trust and love our tools. And this is one of the reasons why businesses love our Excel tools. They're very, very easy to use, all built in an interface that you already are familiar with, such as Excel. And there's nothing to install. It's easy for people who want fast results without complicated setups, and everything runs directly inside Excel. And one more thing, you'll get world-class customer support. Yes, you get to talk to me, and it's a one-time purchase with no ongoing fees and subscriptions. Simple, affordable, and designed to save you hours and hours of work every week. And if your team struggles to match customer addresses to the nearest branch or store, or needs to find maybe a contractor or installer, try the Excel Store Locator today. You can download it using the link in the description, and you can also, via the chat, can contact me directly through our website at Excel Distance Calculators. And also what I do for a lot of clients like yourself is, if you need a custom built Excel that matches exactly your process and your business, let me know. I'd be more than happy to. I've built hundreds and hundreds of these tools. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss our next time-saving Excel tool. Thank you very much for watching, and till next time.